Hey everyone, how you doing? Hope you're doing really good. And in today's vid, I'm going to talk about my Diamond Team, which is a passive income protocol that pays you out every single day. Anything I say in this video isn't financial advice, so please always do your own research before investing in anything. My Diamond Team pays you 1.5% daily in passive income on whatever you've got deposited in the protocol. This might not sound like a lot, but trust me, it is a lot, and it's particularly a lot when you add on the fact that with this protocol, you can use the power of compound interest to rapidly grow your deposits to start to get a heck of a lot of money. It follows a similar model to DRIP, which has seen massive success since its launch. How it works is that you deposit BNB and the minimum deposit is 0.1 BNB, which is about 35 bucks. That money is sunk or it's gone, which means you can't get it back. But what my Diamond Team does is it pays you 1.5% every single day. So for example, if you deposit $1,000, then every single day it will give you $15 back in profits. Now the real power behind this protocol is that instead of taking your profits every day, you can recompound them back into your initial deposit. Now when you reinvest, which means compounding, you get a 5% bonus. So essentially, the more you compound and the more time that passes, the bigger your deposits will be and the more daily rewards you'll get. A little bonus which is happening with this project right at the moment is that if you deposit a minimum of 0.5 BNB, you get automatic access to the pre-sale of the Piston token, which is a new protocol which is coming out soon, and I'll explain about that at the end. And of course, I'll also go over the risk-fi score. To calculate how much you can expect to make, there is a calculator on there, and you can see that I have 1.24 BNB invested. So if I reinvest that just for one day, I'm going to get 0.02 BNB, and then my deposit's going to go up to 1.26. In addition to the daily rewards and the compounding, there's also two other ways that you can make money. The first one is a 5% direct referral commission. So if you join somebody's team, which I'll explain in a second, you get a little bit of percentage of their money when they make a deposit. And if anybody joins their team, you earn even more commissions on that. To get started with this project, just like DRIP, you need a referral link. Using this referral link will essentially make you join that person's team. And the benefits of teams is that the more people in your team, the more referrals you get, which means the bigger your deposit will be, which means the more daily interest you'll get on those deposits. And also, the more referrals you do, the smart contract will actually reward you with really big airdrops in BNB. It rewards the top 4 wallets that has the most referrals every single day. And you can see here that this wallet got 0.625 BNB and so on down the line. But what I love most about teams is this little thing here, which is the airdrops, which basically means that the team leader can airdrop any amount of BNB to all the people in their team. I don't have anyone in my team yet, but for anybody who does join my team, I'm going to be doing airdrops every single weekend to members of the team. So basically what I'm going to do is Saturday and Sunday, I'm not going to compound or anything those days. I'm just going to let it build up. And I'm thinking maybe the first and third weekend, I'll airdrop it to everybody. And the second and fourth weekend, maybe I'll just airdrop it to 2 randomly chosen people so they get a bit more money. Either way, every weekend, you're going to be making free money. So if that is something you're interested in, then the referral link to my team is in the description. But hey, you don't have to use my link. You can use anybody's referral links. Either way, you need to have a link in order to join. With this project, you get your return of investment back in 67 days. So if you don't compound it, you just let it sit there and build up. You've got to wait 67 days. And then this unwithdrawn amount will go to the same as your deposits amount. This is version 2 of the contract. And version 1, an exploit was actually found. And what happened was somebody discovered that if they airdropped people 0 BNB, the amount of unwithdrawn would go down to 0. This essentially meant that people couldn't compound their rewards and they couldn't withdraw their rewards. The devs weren't really happy about this, so they worked their asses off for a couple of days and actually came out with version 2 of the contract where they fixed all these bugs. And the team actually went back and repaid anybody who lost any rewards. Here's the audit of the contract, and everything did go through okay, and they're going to get the second contract audited again by Solidity. The sustainability is similar to DRIP because they do have a 10% buy and sell tax, and you can see here that the amount reinvested by members is 357 BNB, but the amount withdrawn is only 72 BNB. So essentially what this means is that there's a whole bucket load of stuff just sitting there, but because it's being fed out so slowly and in tiny little amounts, that means the sustainability of this project like Drip is actually pretty good. There's no KYC or docs with this yet, which is a little bit frustrating. I've had a lot of contact with the devs and I said, why aren't you doing a docs or a KYC? And they basically didn't talk about the KYC really, but they said, oh, we don't want to do a docs because of safety. This is becoming a bit of an old and tiring excuse because a KYC means you can tell somebody who you are without telling the public who you are. But they've said for security, they are going to be doing a Gnosis multi-signature wallet with a doxed YouTuber, but they haven't said when this is going to happen. I like that this project pays you in BNB and not some kind of native token because BNB has a massive market cap, so there's a lot less volatility with BNB, so you sort of have a rough idea of what you're actually going to make. And if you invest at least 0.5 BNB into my Diamond team, you automatically go into the pre-sale at 15% off for the Piston token. And the My Diamond team pre-sale is happening on March the 28th. And basically what the Piston token is it's basically like a drip, but with even more interesting tokenomics and taxes. I'm not going to go into that now. I'll do it in another video. Here we are on RiskFi, and in summary, the team isn't doxed or KYC'd. They have good taxes and it's in small payouts, which makes it a bit more sustainable. They are doing a multi-sig, but they haven't yet, but the vast amount of the money is locked in the smart contract, which the team doesn't have any access to. They've done one audit and they are going to do another one, and I really like the innovation of the fact that it pays out in BNB and not a native token. Again, it's only 2 weeks old. Their Discord is really awful. I wouldn't recommend it, but Telegram and Twitter are okay, and your investment is sunk. So my Diamond team gets a RiskFi score of 5, and that's smack bang in the middle of it looks fine, but it has unanswered questions. So what do you think of my Diamond team and the 1.5% passive interest it gives you and the fact that you get paid in BNB? Would love to know your thoughts. Please leave a comment, and until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.